Let's get started. Start with listening, and then learn new words and practice them in sentences.
Imagine a world without Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. A world where connections, once lost, remained lost. This was the reality not so long ago. But social media has changed everything. It has become a powerful tool for rekindling old flames and bridging the gaps created by time and distance. Take, for example, the story of two childhood friends separated by circumstance who unexpectedly reconnected through a simple hashtag. Years after drifting apart, a shared interest in photography led them to use the same hashtag on their Instagram posts. This seemingly insignificant digital thread became the catalyst for their reunion, weaving a new chapter in their friendship. Their story is just one of many, a testament to the power of social media to reconnect lives. This ability to reconnect with people from our past, to rediscover shared interests and rebuild bridges, is one of the most remarkable aspects of social media. It speaks to our innate human need for connection, for community, for a sense of belonging. In a world that often feels increasingly fragmented and isolating, social media offers a lifeline, a way to reach out and touch the lives of others, even across vast distances. Social media's impact on our relationships is undeniable. It offers a constant stream of communication, connecting us with friends, family, and romantic partners in ways never before imagined. We share our lives through photos and videos, offering glimpses into our daily experiences. We celebrate milestones, offer support during challenging times, and maintain a sense of closeness despite physical distance. For couples separated by geography, social media can be a lifeline. It allows for daily check-ins, virtual dates, and the sharing of experiences, bridging the gap and maintaining a sense of intimacy. Families scattered across the globe can stay connected, sharing photos of children, celebrating birthdays, and offering support during times of need. Friends can maintain bonds, sharing jokes, making plans, and staying updated on each other's lives. However, the ease of online connection can also lead to a decline in face-to-face interaction. We might find ourselves more connected to our digital worlds than to the people physically present in our lives. The challenge lies in finding a balance, using social media to enhance our relationships without letting it become a substitute for real-life connection. While social media can bridge gaps, it can also create them. The curated perfection often presented online can lead to unrealistic expectations and comparisons in our own relationships. Witnessing the seemingly flawless lives of others can fuel feelings of inadequacy, leading to dissatisfaction and conflict in our own relationships. The constant stream of information and opinions can also lead to misunderstandings and disagreements. A misinterpreted comment, a perceived slight, or a difference in political views can quickly escalate into an online argument, creating tension that spills over into real-life interactions. The anonymity of the internet can embolden individuals to express themselves in ways they might not face-to-face, leading to hurtful comments and online bullying that can damage relationships. Furthermore, the constant presence of social media in our lives can create a sense of distraction and disengagement from the present moment. We might find ourselves physically present with loved ones but mentally checked out, scrolling through our feeds instead of engaging in meaningful conversation. This digital detachment can erode intimacy, leaving partners feeling ignored and undervalued. Social media often presents a distorted view of reality. We see carefully curated images of happiness, success, and adventure, fueling a sense of comparison and inadequacy in our own lives. This envy trap can seep into our relationships, leading to dissatisfaction and resentment. We might find ourselves questioning our own choices, comparing our partner to the seemingly perfect individuals we encounter online. We might feel pressure to present a certain image of ourselves in our relationships, leading to inauthenticity and a disconnect between our online personas and our true selves. This constant comparison can erode self-esteem, leading to insecurities and doubts that can undermine the foundation of a healthy relationship. The key is to remember that social media often presents a highlight reel, not the full story. We are all navigating our own journeys, with their unique challenges and triumphs. Comparing our lives to the curated versions we see online is a recipe for dissatisfaction. Instead, we should focus on cultivating gratitude for the positive aspects of our own relationships and celebrating the unique qualities that make them special. Section 5. Lost in translation. Navigating miscommunication in the digital age. Digital communication lacks the nuance of face-to-face interaction. Tone of voice, facial expressions, and body language, all crucial to understanding intent, are absent in text messages, emails, and social media posts. This can lead to misinterpretations, misunderstandings, and conflicts, particularly in relationships. A seemingly harmless joke can be perceived as offensive. A casual comment can be misconstrued as criticism. A lack of response can be interpreted as disinterest. These miscommunications can escalate quickly, creating tension and resentment that can damage relationships. To mitigate these risks, it's crucial to be mindful of our digital communication. Choose words carefully, considering how they might be interpreted. When in doubt, err on the side of clarity and kindness. Avoid sensitive topics in online forums, opting for face-to-face conversations instead. And remember, sometimes a phone call or video chat can bridge the gap that digital communication cannot. Section 6. The Art of Digital Detachment. Finding balance in a hyperconnected world. In today's hyperconnected world, the ability to disconnect is a valuable skill. Constant connectivity can lead to information overload, anxiety, and a sense of being tethered to our devices. This can negatively impact our relationships, creating a barrier to intimacy and genuine connection. Practicing digital detachment involves setting boundaries around our social media use. This might involve designating specific times for checking our feeds, limiting notifications, or establishing tech-free zones in our homes. The goal is to reclaim control over our time and attention, allowing us to be more present in our real-life interactions. Disconnecting from social media allows us to reconnect with ourselves and the people around us. We can engage in activities that nourish our minds and bodies, cultivate hobbies, and spend quality time with loved ones without the distractions of the digital world. This intentional disengagement can lead to greater peace of mind, enhanced creativity, and stronger relationships. Section 7. Reclaiming real connections. The importance of face-to-face interaction. While social media offers a platform for connection, it cannot replace the richness and depth of face-to-face interaction. Nonverbal cues, shared experiences, and the simple act of being fully present in the moment are essential elements of building strong and meaningful relationships. Make time for in-person interactions with loved ones. Prioritize shared meals, outings, and activities that foster conversation and connection. Put away devices during these times, allowing yourselves to be fully present in the moment and with each other. Remember, relationships thrive on shared experiences, vulnerability, and genuine connection. These elements are best cultivated through face-to-face interaction, where we can truly see, hear, and understand one another. Section 8. Building bridges, not walls. Using social media responsibly for healthy relationships. Social media is a powerful tool, capable of both connecting and dividing us. The key to harnessing its power for good lies in using it responsibly, thoughtfully, and with intention. Set healthy boundaries, prioritize face-to-face interaction, and cultivate gratitude for the unique qualities of your own relationships. Remember that social media is just one facet of our lives, not a substitute for real-life connection. Use it to enhance your relationships, not define them. Celebrate the joys, offer support during challenges, and stay connected across distances, but never lose sight of the importance of real-life interactions. By using social media mindfully, we can build bridges instead of walls, fostering connections that enrich our lives and strengthen our relationships.
Connectivity. Connectivity, the state or extent of being connected or interconnected. Example, social media has increased connectivity among friends and family, allowing us to stay in touch with people across the globe easily. Interaction. Interaction, reciprocal action or influence, often involving communication between people. Example, social media platforms provide a space for continuous interaction, which can strengthen relationships but sometimes replaces face-to-face communications. Influence. Influence, the capacity to have an effect on the character, development, or behavior of someone or something. Example, the influence of social media can be profound, affecting how relationships are formed and maintained. Privacy. Privacy, the state of being free from public attention or not having one's personal matters disclosed. Example, maintaining privacy on social media is challenging but crucial for protecting personal relationships. Distraction. Distraction, a thing that prevents someone from giving full attention to something else. Example, constant notifications and updates on social media can be a distraction that negatively impacts the quality of time spent with loved ones.